Breaking news of today is FATF keeps Pakistan in enhanced follow-up list. Financial Action Task Forces FATF and Asia Pacific Group APG keeps Pakistan in the enhanced follow-up list for lack of any major progress made to counter terror financing on its soil. My word, my first word is easy. Its meaning is asan and its spelling is EASY, easy. Its antonym is hard and synonym is simple. Sentence is my exam starts my exam starts from tomorrow and it's very easy and simple paper coming, and in 27 October my hard exam have to start. My second word is end. Its meaning is khatm and its synonym is finish and antonym is start. Sentence is Rahul ends his game. Reena's apple is finished. Dance program is started. My short story is about Kailash Satyarthi. Kailash Satyarthi is a human rights activist from India who has been at the forefront of the global movement to the end child slavery and exploitation since 1880, and he was born on January 11, 1954. When he gave up lucrative career as an electrical engineer to initiate crusade against child servitude, and he founded Bachpan Bachao Andolan and awarded the Nobel Peace Prize in 2000.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: first news is Rafael Nadal wins French Open 2020. Rafael Nadal beats Novak Djokovic to win the men's 2020 French Open title. This is his 13th French Open men's singles title and 20th Grand Slam title. In women's single, Iga Swiatek of Poland claimed a historic win by becoming the youngest woman to win the title in the history of the championship. She defeated Sofia Kenin of the United States and became the first Polish tennis player to win the singles Grand Slam. And the second news is Chetan Anand named brand ambassador for Indian brand Transform. Commonwealth Games medalist in badminton Chetan Anand has been dropped in as the brand ambassador for India's first ever homegrown professional badminton brand Transform. Thank you, sir. Today's word are: first word is gratitude. Gratitude means thankfulness, obligation, debt. The antonym of the word is ingratitude. Sentence: I extend gratitude to my parents for their love and support. And the second word is contamination. Contamination means corruption, pollution. Antonyms of the word are cure, healing, cleaning. Sentence: contamination is a presence of impurity. Thank you. Today's story is: I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day. On Christmas Day, I saw 3 ships come sailing in on Christmas Day in the morning. Pray whither sailed those ships, all three, on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Pray whither sailed those ships, all three, on Christmas Day in the morning. Oh, they sailed into Bethlehem on Christmas Day, on Christmas Day. Oh, they sailed into Bethlehem. No, नहीं बोल. My story is about the real princess. There was once a prince, and he wanted a princess. But then She must be a real princess. He travelled right around the world to find one. But there was always something wrong. There were plenty of princesses, but whether they were real princesses, he had great difficulty in discovering. There was always something which was not quite right about them. So at last he had to come home again, and he was very sad because he wanted a real princess so badly. One evening there was a terrible storm. It thundered and lightened, and the rain poured down in torrents. Indeed, it was a fearful night. In the middle of the storm, somebody knocked at the town gate, and the old king himself went to open it. It was a princess who stood outside, but she was in a terrible state from the rain and the storm. The water streamed out of her hair and her clothes. It ran in at the top of her shoes and out at the heel, but she said that she was a real princess. Well, we shall soon see if that is true, thought the old queen, but she said nothing. She went into the bedroom, took all the bedclothes off, and laid a pea on the bedstead. Then she took 20 mattresses and piled them on the top of the pea, and then 20 feather beds on the top of the mattresses. This was where the princess was to sleep that night. In the morning, they asked her how she had slept. "Oh, terribly badly," said the princess. "I have hardly closed my eyes the whole night. Even knows what was in the bed. I seemed to be lying upon some hard thing, and my whole body is black and blue this morning. It is terrible." They saw at once that she must be a real princess when she had felt the pie through 20 mattresses and 20 feather beds. Nobody but a real princess could have such a delicate skin. So the prince took her to be his wife. For now he was sure that he had found a real princess, and the pea was put into the museum, where it may still be seen if no one has stolen it. Now this is a true story. Thank you.
Good evening, sir. Today's news are: Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman announced LTC cash voucher scheme. Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman has announced Leave Travel Concession LTC cash voucher scheme and a special festival advance scheme for government employees with an aim to increase consumer spending. She announced proposals regarding consumer spending and capital expenditure. Under consumer spending, she announced proposals within two components: LTC cash voucher scheme and some other special festival advance scheme. Another news is International Day of the Girl Child, 11 October. International Day of the Girl Child is observed globally on 11 October every year since 2012. The International Day of the Girl Child focuses attention on the need to address the challenges girls face and to promote girls' empowerment and the fulfillment of their human rights. The scheme for 2020 International Day of the Girl Child is My Voice, Our Equal Future. That's all, sir. Now the word is demand, which means request, need. Antonyms of this word is supply. Nowadays we can see that the demanding of masks is decreasing day by day. Another word is virtual, which means dummy, apparent. Antonyms of this word is actual. Yeah, we can say that we are doing virtual classes. We are get togethering virtual. That's all, sir.
Good evening, guys. Good evening, sir. As we know that sir has given three tasks: first news, second vocab, and third story. So first, I would like to petrify about the news. So first news is about the Union Social Justice Minister. This is the topic of the related to the social justice. So, Union Social Justice Minister launched the Ambedkar Social Innovations and Incubations Mission under Venture Capital Fund for SCs with a view of promoting innovations and enterprise among SC students studying in higher educational institutes. Social Justice Minister launched the Venture Capital Fund for SCCS in 2014 to 15 with a view to develop entrepreneurship amongst the SC and the Divyang youth and to enable them to become job givers. And the objective of this model is that to provide concessional finance to the entities of the SC entrepreneurs. Ambedkar Social Innovation and Cubans Missions Initiative 1,000 SC youth will be identified in the next 4 years with startup ideas through the technology business incubators in various higher education institutions. And now my second news is that a fast patrol vessel named Indian Coast Guard Ship ICGS in Karnataka Bureau was commissioned in the Indian Coast Guard in Kolkata. The fifth and the last in the series of FPBS built by Garden Reach Shipbuilders and the Engineers Ltd. Other four ICGS Priyadarsani named after Indira Gandhi, ICGS Annie Besant, ICGS Kamala Devi after Kamala Devi Chattopadhyay, and the ICGS Amrit Kaur, suited for patrolling and the maritime surveillance, anti-smuggling, anti-poaching operations, and also for the fishery protections and rescue for the search missions. And the Karnataka Bureau named after a teenage freedom fighter who was now dead in Assam during the Quit India movement. One of the youngest martyrs of the Quit India movement, Karnataka Bureau has iconic status in Assam. This is talking about the smuggling because lots of people do the anti-smuggling and the social smuggling, so they can be to prohibited on that thing. Thank you, guys. Thank you. Now my second topic is that story. So I'd like to tell about the greedy lion. It was an incredibly hot day, and the lion was feeling very hungry. And he came out of his den and searched here and there. He could find only a small hare. He caught the hare with some hesitation. This hare can't fill my stomach, thought the lion. As the lion was about to kill the hare, a deer ran that away, and the lion became greedy. He let the hare go, the wind behind the deer, but the deer had vanished into the forest. The lion now felt sorry for letting the deer off. Instead of eating this small hare, let meet the big deer. So he feeling so appreciate on talking about that because he was thinking that ki now I'm feeling so hungry, so I think that ki I should have eaten that deer, but on that time he think that ki this is a very small animal, so I couldn't to fill my stomach on that times. After then he thought and hired the hare, but they left to both. That's why he was uprising and felt very upset. So the moral of this story is that a bird hand is worth two in the verse. That's it. Thank you, guys. Thank you, sir. Now my third topic is that vocab. So this is the form of the phrasal vocab. So I'd like to represent there and petrify about my word. So first word is that and all that. It means that और तमाम या उस तरह की बातें या चीज़ें. जैसे if you take an example of this word phrasal and all that, it means that और तमाम उस तरह की बातें या चीज़ें. जैसे I don't eat burger, चाउमीन, मोमोज एंड ऑल दैट. मैं बर्गर, चाउमीन, मोमोज और उस तरह की चीज़ें नहीं खाता हूँ. I don't eat burger, चाउमीन, मोमोज एंड ऑल दैट. You can use in the word of the and all that, and now telling you about the spelling of this word and all that, and all and all that that. And my second example is that ही डजेंट बिलीव इन एस्ट्रोलॉजी एंड ऑल दैट, वह ज्योतिष और तमाम उस तरह की बातों पर विश्वास नहीं करता है. He doesn't believe. Now my second phrasal is this is the form of the vocab. You can also be used in the word of the phrasal also. Over and over again, मतलब it means जब बार बार कोई चीज़ बार बार होता है. If anything happen over and over again, then you can use in the word of the over and over again. For example, if you check an instances with the related of the word of the over and over again, then I would like to petrify them. So my first example is that he played the same music over and over again. I got bored. उसने एक ही गाना को बार बार बजाया, अब मैं उस गाना से उब गया. He played the same music over and over again and I got bored. And why do you repeat the same mistake over and over again? It annoys me. तुम एक ही गलती को बार बार क्यों दोहराते हो, उससे मुझे परेशानी होती है. It's really annoys me. Thank you guys. Thank you sir.
Good evening, sir. Good evening, guys. Today's first word is reticent. RETICENT. Reticent means किसी विषय के बारे में अल्पभाषी होना. अल्पभाषी मीन्स कम बोलने वाला, जो बहुत कम बोलता है. सिनोनिम taciturn, TACITURN, taciturn. Antonym is talkative, TALKATIVE, talkative. Example, she is reticent about her past. वह अपने पास्ट. she is reticent about her past. वह अपने पुराने दिनों के बारे में नहीं बताना चाहती है. My next example is when teacher asked some questions, most of the students were reticent about answering for questions. जब टीचर ने कुछ प्रश्न पूछे तो प्रश्नों के उत्तर देते समय ज़्यादातर बच्चे चुप हो गए. My next word is encourage. Encourage means बढ़ावा देना, हिम्मत देना. ENCOURAGE, encourage. Synonym boost, BOOST, boost. Antonym is depress, DEPRESS, depress. Example, he is starting speaking, so we should encourage him, not insult him. वह अंग्रेजी बोलना शुरू कर रहा है, तो हमें उसे बढ़ावा देना चाहिए, हमें उसे हिम्मत देना चाहिए, ना कि उसकी बेइज्जती करनी चाहिए. My next example is I want to thank you everyone who encouraged and supported me. मैं उन सभी को धन्यवाद देना चाहता हूँ, उन सभी का धन्यवाद करना चाहता हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे बढ़ावा दिया और मेरा साथ दिया. थैंक यू.